Defending champions Cavalier and Portmore United will do battle in the final of the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League. Both teams secured dramatic return leg semi-final victories over Montego Bay United and Mount Pleasant FA respectively on Wednesday night at the National Stadium. Christopher Scott tells us more.
For the past 4 years, Rudolph Speed has been synonymous with the Jamaica Premier League final. And on Wednesday, he proved why he is the man to beat, as Cavalier are seeking a third straight hold on the title after defeating Montego Bay United 2-0 at the National Stadium to advance 2-1 on aggregate. Up steps teenager Kim Marley Scott to put them 1-0 ahead on the night in the 54th minute to send the game into extra time. Scott popped up once again in the 97th minute to give Cavalier a 2-0 advantage and a 2-1 margin on aggregate, a lead that would see them through as they look to create history by becoming only the second team to win 3 or more consecutive titles.
We never thought we were out of it. We just thought that we had to win differently. And we always try and find a way, and we thought this was one of the ways that we could win. And if you notice, set plays was getting regular goals for us near the end of the season, and it just carried over.
Speed also explained what he thinks has made the difference over the years.
We have a family, everybody love each other, we work together. When we lose together. When we win together. And but even from our training, we develop a winning mentality, and I think that is what carries us over the line all the time.
Meanwhile, Portmore United booked their spot in the final after beating last season's finalists Mount Pleasant FA 4-2 in their second leg semi-final encounter to progress 4-3 on aggregate. Portmore, who actually trailed 1-0 from the first leg, took the lead in the 22nd minute through a stunning strike from Tariq Zimenez before Ronaldo Robinson extended their advantage in the 37th minute. However, Raheem Edwards pulled one back from Mount Pleasant in the 62nd to make it 2-1 on the night and level the tie 2-1 aggregate. With the match sent to extra time, Dustin Cohen put Portmore further ahead in the 102nd minute to send them 3-1 aggregate ahead, but Mount Pleasant would again level the tie at 3-3 when Jashawn Anglin scored from the penalty spot in the 108th minute. Portmore then sealed a dramatic win at 4-2 on the night to progress 4-3 on aggregate when Javier Brown scored in the 112th minute.
Very happy, but I'm really happy for the players. Some of the players haven't experienced something like this before, and they went out there today and they gave it their all, and you can see we won the game and they're very happy.
And heading into the second leg, Coach Austin knew exactly the game plan that was needed.
First goal have to be us, because if we go down 2-0, it's going to be difficult, and we kept at it, and the boys show great character and great belief, and we got it out over the line.
The final will be played on Sunday, also at the National Stadium. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.